Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking XPLORA channel. Today I'm going to make almond macarons. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. I have taken 3 egg whites, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a cup almond powder, 1 cup icing sugar, 2 different colors and vanilla essence. First step I'm going to do is I'm going to shift the almond powder plus icing sugar together without any lumps, and let's keep in a side. Take 3 egg whites and beat it in a high speed. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons sugar, and again I'm going to beat until it turns to white as snow. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons vanilla essence, now I'm going to add the dry ingredients, icing sugar plus almond powder together, and I'm going to fold it. Don't use a beater to mix it. If you beat it, it's turned into water. The batter is too smooth, and I'm going to add color. So I have separated into 2 balls. I'm going to add green color for one ball, another in pink color. Take your piping bag and fill it with this batter. I have taken my baking sheet and I have placed a parchment sheet on it, and then let's pipe. After pipe, I'm going to remove the air bubbles from it. Keep this for 10 minutes. At the meantime, you can preheat your oven for 140 Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can put your finger and see whether it's pasting or not. If it is not pasting, you can bake it for 140 Celsius for 15 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you for staying with me. Let's meet in another video.